This is the DEFCON warning system. Alert status for 8 p.m., Sunday, November 2nd, 2014. Condition green, DEFCON 5. Condition green, DEFCON 5. Condition green, DEFCON 5. There are currently no imminent nuclear threats against the United States at this time. Russia continues its aggressive posturing, as it has increased the number of deployed nuclear weapons and incursions into other countries' air defense zones. While officially keeping under START treaty requirements, it is believed by some that Russia has other, hidden and non-declared weapons also available. There are reports of further military maneuvers by Russia in the Ukraine, and Iran and Russia have also held joint naval exercises, while Iran expands relations with China and Pakistan. The DEFCON warning system believes that there may be additional action by Russia in former satellite states within the next 2 years, as Russia takes advantage of U.S. softness before the next presidential election. However, the United States has deployed across 3 Baltic states and Poland in a message to Russia against further aggression in the area, as well as commissioned a new missile interceptor base in Romania, a former, though rebellious, satellite state of the Soviet Union. Bolstering alliances against China, the United States and India agreed to upgrade their existing bilateral exercise Malibor, as well as to support a reformed UN Security Council with India as a permanent member, while India has successfully test-fired a nuclear-capable cruise missile. There have been several incidents of cross-border fire between North and South Korea recently, raising tensions in the area despite unusual positive diplomatic moves by North Korea during Un's absence. Dampening any hope, however, Un recently executed a number of high-level officials in his government. The U.S., for its part, has proposed that it would reduce its presence in Asia, if North Korea would resume nuclear negotiations and follow through on promises to denuclearize. It isn't known how far this would go, as the United States has a substantial interest in maintaining an Asian presence to bolster allies and counter a growing Chinese threat. China, for its part, has revealed a new, mobile ballistic missile which some observers believe may be capable of delivering multiple warheads. The DEFCON warning system is a private enterprise which monitors world events and assesses nuclear threats against the United States by national entities. It is not affiliated with any government agency and does not represent the alert status of any military branch. The public should make their own evaluations and not rely on the DEFCON warning system for any strategic planning. At all times, citizens are urged to learn what steps to take in the event of a nuclear attack. If this had been an actual attack, the DEFCON warning system will give radiation readings for areas that are reported to it. Your readings will vary. This system serves northern Stevens County, Washington and Hutchinson County, Texas. Official news sources will have radiation readings for your area. For immediate updates, go to www.defconwarningsystem.com. Breaking news and important information can be found on the DEFCON warning system message board and on the DEFCON Twitter feed DEFCON WS. You may also subscribe to the YouTube channel DEFCON Warning System and the DEFCON Warning System mailing list. Note that Twitter and YouTube updates may be subject to delays. The next scheduled update is 8 p.m. Pacific Time, December 1st, 2014. Additional updates will be made as the situation warrants, with more frequent updates at higher alert levels. This concludes this broadcast of the DEFCON warning system.